Hi, it's Adam here at Stretch Your English. I'm here to share resources and ideas for teachers of English to speakers of other languages. In this video, I'm going to very quickly introduce you to my Instagram account at Stretch Your English. On this account, each post contains words, phrases and functional language for a variety of context and for a variety of ability levels as well. For me, it's just something simple, fun, experimental, but may provide language and ideas for other teachers to incorporate or develop in their own classrooms. So, the link to my account is in the description below this video, and here you can see each post follows quite a similar format. As an example here, we've got some language for making strong and weak suggestions. Another example is some useful language if you're speaking on Zoom or Skype or even on the telephone in order to tell somebody that you can hear them or you're having difficulties. So as you can see in the description at the top here, if your learners use Instagram, if they like following accounts like this to help them with their English on a day-to-day basis and help them stretch their English on a day-to-day basis, it might be an account that they want to follow. If you are a teacher, you may want to follow for inspiration for language to teach and develop. So that's at Stretch Your English on Instagram. In my next video, I'll be sharing an idea which I call my teaching toolbox. Again, something very simple, this time for a Padlet wall, an idea for a Padlet wall which can help teachers to organise their ever-growing lists of online resources, websites, applications. So please watch the next video, and I'll be sharing a link for my template Padlet wall in the description for that video too. As usual, please hit subscribe for more videos or visit my website stretchyourenglish.com. You can also catch me on the Instagram account, which I just explained, and you can contact me directly at stretchyourenglish@gmail.com. Thanks a lot. See you next time.